can you be an affiliate without a website? If so, how can website-less affiliate marketing be done? Keep watching, you will find the answer to this question with lots of examples too, right in this video. Affiliate marketing without a website. Can it be done? The short answer is yes. The longer answer starts now. While I do appreciate why you may want to become an affiliate without having a website, there are two important things that I must underscore even before we start diving into specific examples of how you can be an affiliate without a website. First of all, since every affiliate program manager, before approving you into their affiliate program, will want to know how and where exactly you will be promoting their products or services, having at least a one-page website is better than none. One where you will describe what exactly you will do and how you will be promoting this particular brand, product, or service. Secondly, before you spend your time, energy, and possibly money on marketing a service, product, or a brand without a website, make sure that you double-check their affiliate program's terms and conditions, their rules, where they will spell out what's okay and what's not. It is better to find out that something is not acceptable before you've invested your energy into it. Now, let's dive into 5 specific scenarios of how you can be an affiliate without a website. In no particular order. 1, email. Whether it is a modest friends and family email list or a full-blown opt-in email of targeted audience, email when married with affiliate marketing can be beautiful. Every Q4, right at the beginning of it, my daughter's school sends all of us parents an email encouraging us to shop with a handful of online retailers and providing the school's affiliate links. Now, they're being transparent that every time we purchase, a percentage of the sale will go to the school's bank account, which they will use for the betterment of our kids' school experience. Now, they are not an active online affiliate in the sense of marketing all of these stores on their school website, but they clearly are a very active email affiliate, and so can you be. Secondly, social media. If you've got clout on social, leverage it. You can definitely sell products and services that cater to your target audience that are of relevance to your fans and followers by promoting all of these through affiliate links. You may indeed make money without having a website through social. Now, make sure that you disclose your relationship with these particular brands. The Federal Trade Commission requires that sponsored posts, tweets, pins should be disclosed as such. So whether you market on Twitter or Facebook, LinkedIn or Pinterest or anywhere else, mark it as an ad or a sponsored post to be transparent there. Thirdly, paid advertising. Provided the affiliate program's rules allow for it, paid advertising is a great way to benefit from affiliate marketing, and this can range from paid search ads on search engines, whereby you'd link your paid search ads directly to the merchant's website through your affiliate link. And this can go all the way to paid ads on Facebook and elsewhere. The opportunities are there for paid search to be a great marketing vehicle when intertwined with affiliate. Fourthly, video. Being the marketing medium that's really second to none when done right, second to none in retention rate, video really is a no-brainer. You don't need to have a website to have a YouTube channel or a Vimeo channel. You may always include your affiliate links under your video and monetize through that. A number of top affiliates in some of the affiliate programs that we manage actually use this particular marketing method very successfully. And finally, offline. Yes, you heard me right. It is possible to monetize your offline efforts through affiliate marketing. One example would be by using a unique coupon code in a local newspaper. The code will be tied to your affiliate account and working just as a trackable affiliate link. Another example would be using a unique toll-free phone number through a pay-per-call program in your audio efforts, plugging it into your podcast or even a radio commercial. So there you have it. It is possible to make money through affiliate marketing without a website. Just make sure that whatever you do doesn't violate any affiliate program's policies.